Hey everyone, if you're looking for a powerful and affordable tablet in 2025, the Amazon Fire Max 11 might just be your next favorite gadget. The Fire Max 11 is Amazon's most advanced tablet yet. With an 11-inch 2K display, octa-core processor, and 4 gigabytes RAM. It's built for streaming, productivity, and even light gaming. It's a major step up from the typical budget Fire tablets. Whether you're watching Netflix in crisp HD, reading on Kindle, or using Microsoft Office apps, this tablet handles it all smoothly. Plus, with up to 14 hours of battery life, it's great for on-the-go use. Add the optional keyboard case and stylus, and suddenly you've got a portable productivity setup that costs a fraction of an iPad or Galaxy Tab. This tablet is perfect for students, travelers, or anyone looking for a solid media device under $300. It's not meant to replace a high-end laptop, but for the price, it's incredibly capable. Pros: gorgeous 2K, screen long battery life, optional keyboard and stylus, great price-performance balance. Cons: still limited to Amazon App Store, no native Google Play. Not ideal for heavy gaming or pro-level multitasking. If you're interested in the Amazon Fire Max 11, check it out using my affiliate link in the description or comments. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.